Okay guys, just gone back to market on euro dollar. It's currently 1:10. We got a scalp in pretty much in seconds just before 1. It's clicked over into the next hour. Criteria is roughly the same. So I'm just going to finish the day off with a 10 pip scalp. Right, so let's just, helps if I press the right bloody button, doesn't it? Done 150 quid so far. And this is what I drive at about working the chart over and over again. So I've got a target in there of 50 quid. Drop it down to the 15 minutes so I can watch what's going on. Now, what I can see here is there's massive strength building into the chart. And I can see it. Just looking at this chart, you can see it clearly. Now, you've also got downward momentum. Breached here. It's going to run down onto the top of a golden eye. And that'll give me about 50 quid. And that's it. And it all stemmed from here. This. You know. Simple stuff. But the whole process, all of it started by doing my homework on the morning. Here. So I work it all out. I work out what the market is I'm going to trade. Judged by strengths and change of strengths. Look at the economic calendar. It helps pick. And then throughout the day, so I'm kind of accountable to a degree. I keep a track on this lot. So run it through so they can see. I do a write-up of everything that's going on. The guy started talking about different other products. So again, I'll go in and I'll help them. And they'll look at whatever. And you'll see it's on there. Why? Because I'm not a teacher, but I have been round the block long enough to know how to spot things. And I'll help the guys. All they've got to do is ask. Just say, Scruff, look at this. And I do it for them. I can't be any fairer than that. And it's done before any trades is taken. So there we go. Now, this particular one is me just working away for my wage. You see me do the small account thing. I did the same process. The only difference between making, say, a couple of grand at the end of the month to a couple of hundred quid at the end of the month is the position size. Simple as that. You know. But what I will say is the higher you go up the tree, the harder it becomes. Because emotions kick in tenfold when you're looking at big numbers. So you've got to train yourself and get muscle memory to be able to deal with it. So let's finish this off. And then that's my day pretty much complete. Sell. Okay guys, it's coming up onto target. Everything's looking pretty darn good. So if I just flick that sort of as a close, well, I'll tell you what, we'll just shift the chart over here a little bit so you can monitor that. When that hits 50 quid, it'll close out, and 50 quid will be my day's wages. So it'll be 200 quid on the day, which is what I look for. Anything above that, outstanding. It's coming in pretty much as we speak. It's counting down now. Oh, it stepped back. Naughty. It's almost there, boys and girls. Almost there. Let's have a look at the sentiments of this thing while we... No, it's not going to let me. I'll do it when it cashes out. Well, actually, no. We know what it's going to do. That line there, if I just flick it on, is for 50 quid. So if it closes out, it hits 50 quid. But the sentiments for it to move down are still heavily in play. But it is running out of steam, so I've got to be a bit careful. It looks like it's about to crack out of it pretty much as we are watching this thing. Well, hopefully it will anyway. Come on, little boy. You can do this. You can do it when you're being cute. Or maybe not. There you go, 50 quid. So, Scruff's a happy boy. Sentiment was in play. As we can see, broke down. It's stretched, so I'm not going to worry. It's hit golden eye. Scruff is more than happy with what's just gone on. In fact, I'll kind of show you. So one of the things that I try to do is I always check this screen, make certain that I haven't got any tickets running. I do have a habit of leaving them on. But there you go, 200 quid dead. Now, if you look at the series of videos done today, you'll see them systematically going through the day what I do. In fact, I can give you an illustration of that. Bear with me just a second. Just need to log into something, which I'll be carrying on with the rest of the day. I spend all day helping the guys in the squad, as kind of people know. The latest video tab under the water cooler gives you a running total of what I'm doing all the time, you know, so you can see exactly what is happening. All you need to do is just go to the date. So it's the 1st of July, and then it started here. So that's 7:10 this morning. And then it runs right through what I've done, people that I've helped, sort of markups, the trades that I'm taking, and it just runs all the way through the day. Now that is also posted into whatever trader talk that I'm doing. So Euro, again, there you are, Euro JPY, and you can see it running through the markups, etc., etc., etc. So I'm constantly at the screen, but I'm not constantly trading. What I'm actually doing is, a lot of the time, is monitoring, because monitoring is your key to success. If you just want to press the button, go to an arcade and play on a video machine. But if you want to make some real progress in this, then you've got to study and you've got to learn that patience is number one. Number one. And the money is just the byproduct of what you do. So that was my day complete. I'm paid. I'm happy. What more is there not to love? See you all in the next one.